Welcome! Today I'll show you how to check battery health information into a Samsung Galaxy A10. First step, go into Play Store and find Ampere application. I'll show you. Ampere. This one. Need install. Wait a second for installing. Then go into this application. Then need click yes, I agree, close. OK. And then swipe on the right. And on the top we got information about our health battery. So our health battery is good. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.